All right, so I gave you the really long command in the prior video. In this video, I am going to give you the shortened version of that using what are called generator flags. And then we will just use the generator flags from now on. But you still want the flexibility of using those longer commands in the event that you have something that is not going to generate exactly the way you want it. So just so that you believe me, you don't think I'm pulling the wool over your eyes, that this is going to produce the exact same output, I created a brand new Flask application with Flask New and then created my project 3. So here is my project 3, which I have running. If you go to VS Code, you can see my project 3 here. And if you were watching the prior video, I was in my project 2. But just so that you can see, this is a clean new version. Let's go to routes. You can see I have only the main slash route. Under templates, I just have mains index, and under controllers, I have the main controller, but it just has the one method. So let's go back and we will, in project 3, so we were in project 3 right here, project 3, we will now do Flask make view about, and before we had to tell it the route and then minus route, and then we had to put something in there, and then we had to tell it the controller and tell it which controller to use. I'm going to shorten that to, instead of minus controller, just minus C, instead of minus route, just minus R. So you could do this, minus R, minus C, and you can do it in any order, or if you want, you can actually combine those two and do minus R, minus C, or minus C, R, whichever you prefer. So just wanted to kind of understand why we were writing. It looks to me when I see this like those two are together and was RC or CR, but that's minus route, minus controller, and you can just shorten that to minus RC. All right, so let's press enter. And it tells you what it did as far as the generation. It used the main controller, which is what you explicitly told it in the prior video, and it created the route, which was /about, and that's what you told it in the other video. So we should end up with exactly the same results, and there's the about right there, serving about, rendering the template about. If we go to templates, we have our about template. If we go to routes, we have our /about. So we should be able to come over here and go to about. And sure enough, we can. So that's it. I mean, that's really the magic, if you want magic here, that's making my life a lot easier when I want to have something that I can see right now on the page. I can do Flask make view, give it the name of the thing that I want to see, in this case an about page, and then just put minus RC, and it's all wired up, ready for me to use it. In the next video, you'll notice we didn't actually use mains, so we'll look at using mains intentionally in the next video.